All right, hello everybody. Welcome to your weekly preview for psychology for the week of January 9th, 2023 to January 13th, 2023. Some important announcements. My office hours this week are Monday from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. and Friday 2:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. So it is quarter two, week 9, coming up quickly on the end of quarter 2 here. Monday, your key terms are Gestalt, molecular depth, constancy, and extrasensory perception, or ESP, with the lesson perception there. Tuesday, you have the homework CYU perception. On Wednesday in live class, we will identify how perception impacts our psychology and review the quiz you have there on sensation and perception. Thursday, you have the project, the choice project on the workings of the mind and body. And then Friday in live class, we will discuss the project and the test on the workings of the mind and body, with the test there of the same name. So have a great week. Please reach out to me with any questions or concerns. Hope to talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.